Some days ago, I posted a video about my displeasure on the product from Zhiyun, especially the Weebill 2, and which has been plagued with a lot of problems. And mine was actually it's dying out on me. That's number one. And number two is I sent it out to the guys at Zhiyun in China to fix it, and it came back with another problem. All right, so this has been an episode of back and forth until, I just had to switch gears. Like the switching gears is that, I went all out telling them, look, I'm not having any of the stories you're telling me. It's either you fix my gimbal or give me a replacement, all right? So, and I'm not sending a dime anymore. And, this was just a back and forth via emails. And finally, all right, so I'm glad that finally that yielded some form of positivity, and officially today I received the package from DHL, being from the guys at Zhiyun Tech, and this is a new gimbal Weebill 2, and hopefully, so this would be more like an unboxing video. So walk with me as we get to see what's in here. All right. Sorry, I don't have an unboxing knife, kind of, so I'll just have to use this and find my way around. Okay. Woo. Okay, so I have this user manual. Of course, we don't read manuals. We figure it out ourselves. I think manual are for ladies only. All right, so you have this service card, and there is the Weebill 2 gimbal. Ta-da! All right, somewhere there. This is the gimbal, and okay. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, so this looks fresh from the oven. Thank you. Officially, this is me saying thank you to the guys at Zhiyun Tech for sending me a brand new Weebill 2 as a replacement for my damaged Weebill, which I sent in for repairs. Of course, this is this is just one advantage of getting your devices back to the manufacturers for repair. It might be a costly, workaround, but it's just, it gives you a sense of security that this is going back to the, original owners, and they know the workaround. They created this thing, or they created this stuff. So and luckily, if your product is still under warranty, of course, you'd have that fixed totally FOC free of charge. So always do well to, apply that route, except there is just no way around it. Then you can just fix it yourself around town. But if you can, please always indulge to send your gears back to the manufacturer for repair. And yeah, so I'd get a camera and make sure I test this out to stabilize. So just in a moment. Okay, so I'll attach this. Make sure it is firm. And of course the battery plates. And so I'm just gonna do a little test just to be sure that the gimbal is functioning properly. So unlock all the axes and make sure this always faces you. Of course, everybody has their style of balancing their gimbal, but this is my own style of balancing the gimbal. So once you pick up the gimbal, it's always stretched up to the end. I always want to make it somewhere halfway here. And throw in. So once this is stable, I'll lock the axis, swivel out the monitor, and power on the gimbal. Of course, this is the first time powering it on, so wow, okay. The LCD screen shows up the logo and everything is in Chinese. I'm looking out for Anglais. All right, so this works perfectly. All right. All right, this works perfectly. So this is me saying thank you to the guys at Zhiyun Tech for replacing my gimbal, and I can't love this less. All right, so I still have this cute gimbal back and fresh and new. Okay, so this is a replacement gimbal sent to me from the guys at Zhiyun, and this is a Weebill too. I'm really much very appreciative of this gesture, for them to, yeah, find a replacement, brand new, you know, and yeah. So this goes just to show that it's just okay to deal with the direct manufacturer if you're considering repairing or fixing your gear. It might be anything, all right? So, but it's just a little bit expensive because you need to send it down to the manufacturer and go through the process of getting a quote, paying, and also shipping it back to you. And if you can, please always indulge that route because it has its positive side. Okay, so this is the last part of all the back and forth, and we're glad everybody's happy. Thank you.